Xavier Giorgio 1278076. This is the stage of my evaluation where post-production stage, which basically means the delivering stage. So getting the YouTube channel ready, getting the websites ready, getting all the paperwork ready, getting the evaluation ready, getting everything all ready before the deadline. One of the techniques that I found to help me through the whole entire stage to the very end is doing reflective diaries, just because I always know where I'm up to. With me being artistic, I feel that I like to have certain routines and always know where I'm up to, otherwise I get upset. I import my footage into my editing software, what editing software I use, and just how my workflow works and what problems I've had. So, the first stage, after I've took the footage off the SD card, I will drag and drop it straight into a folder here. After I've done that, I will then open my chosen software, which is Final Cut Pro that I've used for a few years. I will make a new library in the file, new and then library. When I've done that, this is what will come up next. I will make a library file and I will select where I want it to be located. When I've done that, I will then go into my file, add media, and then I'll go on my hard drive and I will select my footage in the designated file, and I will make sure that it will copy it into the timeline of the actual, into the project file, not the timeline. This is where I create my timeline and what specs I want it to be in: stereo audio, 1080p at 25 frames per second. This is what this project file is, what this timeline turned into. This is one of the effects I've used in my edit, which I've added an adjustment layer, and here you will see the difference. So if we look at the top and the bottom of me and Mum, you'll see just a slight difference between the two clips. So this is what we call the anamorphic effect, or black bar term, and this just makes my footage look more cinematic. This is my color grading stage, so I have looked over this clip and this is where I'll show you the differences within the exposure. If you go too high, everyone turns and has a white overexposure, and if we go too low, everything is completely underexposed and you cannot boost it. So this is why I have got it in the middle for myself. Then this is the way of when I do my intense editing for colour, so colour grading. I will go into my workspace and I will go into colour and effects. This is a clip I've chosen that is perfectly exposed for my liking on this project. So I will have my Luma colours in the top left over here. This will show my different colours and what I feel will fit. So because I've got mine at 75, I didn't want too much brightness on Nana because we're indoors, and I made sure I had as much low light as possible, well, low tones as possible. That's why it's just above 0. This will show my RGB colours. This will separate every colour individually, and that's the way that I do my colour grading flow. So the problems that have occurred is I had this very pink tone in all of the footage and I couldn't work out how it had gone. I tried colour grading and everything, so I had to go back to YouTube and find out a few different tutorials, and it turned out that it was a saturation that was too high. So I dialed down the saturation and then I managed to get rid of the pinkish look, as you can see in this clip. I have no pink on my Nana's face at all. There is another effect, this is why this is all completely blank. There's another effect that I've put somewhere else over the overlay, and that just makes everything clearer. So the problems that have occurred other than the colours is I just didn't like any of my colour styles I'd chosen. I edited everything without the black bars and without the anamorphic look, because I just felt it looked better at the start, but then someone suggested, well, why don't you try putting the black bars? I was like, oh, the anamorphic look. So I put the black bars and it just made the project look so much more realistic, so much more professional, and a better standard for myself. And of course, with doing the colours, everything looks better now with that, because there's not too much around other people. So with colour grading, you have to be careful of colour grading the people. If I make someone blue and they have orange around them, that will go blue as well. If she's got an orange blanket on, we don't want to change the colour too much, so then we'll just colour grade the person manually. That was one of the issues that keeps on coming up quite a lot, and it was just remembering to do the person, not the background, and just working around that. What I would feel I have learned is the techniques of a colorist, and how to colour grade my pictures better and make it more looking professional. With learning this, all my other projects will look better within colour and make everything cleaner. Altogether now, I feel I am more confident with doing colour, and in the real world, when I'm going to be working with clients, I feel that my colours will pop over people, because out there in the real world where you are working with clients, it's all about whose work's stylish and what styles you are, and I think people will prefer my style, so this makes me go more confident into doing paid jobs now.